unboxing of the Ford F-150 cold air intake. You gotta make sure you got your X-Acto knife here. Slices are open, just like butter, boys. Look at that, look at that. Oh, she's already nice. SLP, bought her on Amazon here. Yes, sir, I did. Amazon, no. That's wrong, it says right here, eBay. Oh my shattered nerves. eBay, I bought her on eBay. Same with the headers there, look at those boys. Those would be going on to F-150 right there. Yes, sir. Yes. Those are probably about 10 horsepower an hour faster right there. With the cold air intake, she'd probably be about 15 horsepower an hour faster. I betcha. I betcha. All right, on with our unpaid program. What I needs to get paid from you fellers there is 1,000. I need 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I do. 1,000 of them, apparently. Yes, that's what I need is 1,000. I forgot a little piece of tape here. You gotta be careful when you're unboxing these things here, because I'll tell you, you can cut right through them and then you wreck the product. Yes, SLP, here we go. I got her for a good deal. They wanted top dollar for some of them other ones there. Oh my lord, 2 boxes. Like what in the heck? So we're gonna do an unboxing of the unboxing here. See what's in here. Oh yes, the receipt. Yeah, that's important. Tell you how much I overpaid. No, got a good D. Oh, SPE. Cold air intake. My shattered nerves. SPE. Superpower. Yes. $220 Canadian. Shipped to your door, boys. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'll do the unboxing on this one, see what we got in her. On the next one, we'll do a couple test runs of the Ford F-150 there, before and afters. Oh, that's pretty nice right there. Yes. All wrapped up. Look at the size of that. Now, boys, how could you not have more horsepower with that, eh? Oh, yeah. But I had her like that. I want to protect that. All of our gear here. Hardware. I don't know, something for the kids to play with there, I suppose. Throws that away. Oh my God, here it is, folks. Yes, sir. Now that's where all the horsepower comes from, right there. Shiny and chrome, that's why I got her. Now, I've been watching them other fellers on the YouTube there. They did this in about 6 minutes. Now I figures with the toolbox I got, I could probably do her in 4. Now if you boys would be interested in that, I'll tell you. You go down there, you hit the subscribe button, and on the next episode we're going to install this. What we're going to do is we're going to go for a test run there. We're going to take her up to about 0 to 60, see how she does. And then we'll do another run with the cold air intake, see how much better fuel economy she gets. Yes, sir. That ought to be fun, eh, boys? All right, well, let me go get you guys up there, and we'll take a closer look at the gander here, see what she all comes with. And then on the next episode, like I said, we'll install her. So I'm going to come on up there and get you boys and put her all in the box here so you can see what you get when you get one of these SPE cold air intakes. Now, she's quite a bargain. She looks just like the other manufacturers there, but she's only $244, not $400. Now, I'll tell you what. Yeah. Super performance something. Yeah, that's what she stands for. All right, closer look at her. She's pretty lightweight. That's got to be a couple horsepower an hour faster too. Pretty nice, eh, fellers? They got the caps on her. Had her sitting in there like that with all the bubble wrap. That stuff they had there for the kids to play with. Put that there. We don't want to scratch her. Got the instructions. Probably won't need those. Well, we might. If we want to do her faster than them other fellers. The air box here, 2 pieces. All throws that together in a matter of minutes. Yeah, we might do like that. Oh yes, there it is. Cold air fast. See, take a look at the size of that. Put you fellers down here in the bubble wrap. It'll keep you safe in the bubble wrap there. Now you boys probably hear me unwrapping stuff up here. It's quite a bit of fun. Alright, here we go. Focus. I've got the clamp for the tube there. That's part of her. 2 clamps there. That's to hook her up. That one there. That goes to the intake. My accent's running out here. I don't quite know what that's for. Probably for the bottom there. And that's for the top seals or to the hood. Oh, just a piece of cake. Yes, sir, we got this. Oh, look at that. They even give us tools. How could we not be fast? Boys, now what we're going to do next time there on the old YouTube, this was just the unboxing. Like, my God, you wait till we installs her. That's going to be fast. Not only are we going to install this here cold air intake. Yeah, that's going to be next. We're going to do the test run. We're going to do the test run of the stock. And then we're going to do the after. And I'll show you the fuel economy before. Comedy. Yes, that's what this is. Comedy. Before. And then the after. Of how much better fuel economy you get when you put one of these here things on. Yes. So if you want to go down there, hit that subscribe button. Hits her twice if you can. Yes, sir. Here we go. Look at that. There's the headers. Yep, JBA. Those are going on too. Not this time. That's a knuckle-busting job right there. You guys want to see me curse and screaming yet? You watch that video. I'll bet your boots. Yes. The up-and-coming videos we got here. Yep, we're going to install this. We're going to do test run. Fuel economy. Then we're going to have the other video we got there. Switching the old F-150 over to the AMS oil. We're going to do some things on that. And then we're going to do one of the boat prop. Putting on your boat props. You got to know how to do that. You want to go out there sailing. So if you boys are interested in watching these videos here, you just signs up to that subscribe button. I need 1,000 of you so this ain't an unpaid program like she is now, boys. I'd be much appreciated. No, I thanks you. Now you see, this is my camera device here. That's how I got them fancy angles. Yes, when I was doing the unboxing, I tricked you fellers. That's how I did her. I just tilted her up there with the crazy glue. Yep. And then she just shined right on down there and you boys watched me unbox. That's ingenuity. Yes, sir, there ain't a trick you ain't gonna learn watching this channel here. No, sirree. All right, boys, you have a fantastic day and you stay tuned for them test runs.